It's reaching up here, it's a bit windy. We're just walking to the Chinese for our date night Chinese. And it's actually warm, but it's windy. Wow, what a joyous day actually, because it started off, I was really stressy this morning, wasn't I, Ryan?
Pink bike. Yes, she was.
Pink bike. It's a man's, I don't know, maybe it's not his. I was quite stressy, I had a bit of stress chest, and kind of turned around like the middle of the day, which was really good. I got the Sims 4 cast demo, which is really good. I really want to go back in and play it. There's some gameplay of that going up tomorrow, 5 PM, gameplay channel. And I've got some really cool Instagram marshmallows coming to review, so stay tuned for that one. And oh my goodness, it's so windy. And I've also got those headphones I showed you. I've done an unboxing and that's going up tomorrow. So yes, it's been quite a joyous day and ended up being quite lovely. And now we've got Chinese, Yorkshire Hour, Emmerdale, Coronation Street, Towie. Don't get much better than that. So I hope you're all well and having a lovely day as well. If I don't blow away, see you tomorrow.